Hi, friends! It's Sunny the Travel Bunny. Today, we're flying on an airplane and need to pack our bag. Let's play a game to see what can go in the suitcase. A cuddly teddy bear can definitely fly with us. But sharp scissors are not safe and must stay home. Fireworks are very dangerous and can't ever go on a plane. And magnets aren't allowed because they can confuse the airplane. Snacks are usually okay, but big drinks might have to wait. Sometimes, even pretty flowers have to stay behind to be safe. Following the rules keeps everyone on the airplane safe and happy. Let's sing a little song about checking our bag. No sharp things or fireworks are allowed on the plane. Great job, friends! Now our bag is packed safely. Remember, travel rules help us all have happy, safe trips. Goodbye, everyone! See you soon!
Don't miss a single adventure. Subscribe to Kisco Learning today and join our growing family.